Hi, welcome back. I'm going to go ahead and show you a little bit on how to use ReadWorks really quick. So some of you should already be on, you can find this on the virtual learning schedule, and you're just going to click on this link here. All right, so when you click on the link, it'll take you here, and you're going to have to type in our class code. So I already actually copied and pasted it, so I'm going to go ahead and continue. And that's the class code that you want to use, so that way you can be assigned directly into my class. So this is what it's going to look like for you. ReadWorks has two types of things that I'm using. You have an assigned article for like a whole reading passage, and then you also have an article a day. So if you scroll down, there are some assignments that you have listed already that I've actually already assigned. Some of them have already passed the deadline, but let me show you what an example might look like. So if you look at this one, it has an article a day set. Now this is a set that has about a short minute read. It could only last about like 5 minutes to 10 minutes of a read, depending on how fluently you read. But basically, I'm going to click on this in just a moment. You have an article a day set. And if you look at the virtual learning schedule, you'll have an article a day, and then you'll also have an assigned passage. Okay, so you should be completing both of those. The one that is not an article a day doesn't say that. It just looks like one of these, and it won't say article a day. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what the basic article might look like. So I'm going to click on this one, Tiger Watch. And if you look here, this is what it's going to look like on yours. It's a whole passage. You can choose to listen to it. I recommend that you follow along if it's reading it out loud. Basically, you're going to read this article, and you can look at the titles and pictures and things like that. Some features I want to show you. You have the line reader. In case you have trouble following the text, you can use that. That's very helpful. It also has the book view. When you're answering questions, it'll have the text and the questions alongside of it. So it's not hard for you to go back and forth between the article and the questions. You can click that off as well. Here, it has just the paragraph lines. So if you want to reference a paragraph, you can do that. And it also has the text. So if you want to make it larger, smaller, you can go ahead and click on that. Here we have the vocabulary, and it'll give you some of the keywords in the text, and it'll give you a definition for it. Okay, that might help you as you're reading. We also have the main question. So after you're done reading, you're going to click on questions, and you're going to answer. There's 10 questions, and you're just going to select the letter that is the correct answer. So this might be useful to use that tool where you can see the text and the questions. I'm going to scroll down. At the very bottom, there actually is some written responses. This is where you have to type a response based on the text answering the question. Here's where I really want you to try to practice and work on answering in complete sentences. So if it's asking you for some evidence in the text, you might want to say, in the text, it states, and then you want to say it. Or if you're using a direct quote, use those quotation marks. So really try your best here to answer the question and refer to the text. Okay, when you're done, you're just going to submit it. When you're done reading the questions, it should take you to a submit button. You're going to click right here. Okay, so that's what it looks like on your assignments. And I'm going to show you the article a day set. I'm going to click on this one. Here, you get to choose one of these articles to read. So I'm giving you the option to choose which one interests you the most. So I'm going to go ahead and read this one, The Power of Dorothy Ling's Pictures. So it tells me how many words. I'm going to click on that. And basically, it's a really quick read. Even if you look here, it's only about 2-minute read. It's a short piece where it just explains about this person. And you're going to click on the Book of Knowledge, and here's where you're going to submit 2 or 3 things you have learned, and you're going to submit it. And so that way I can see what you read for the day. But that's basically it for ReadWorks. You also have a library here where you can check out free books, okay? But this is the basics of ReadWorks where you can look and find daily assignments.